So hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 79, that is word search, and in this will be an m into n grid of characters board and a string word, and we have to return true if the word exists in the grid. And the word can be constructed from letters of sequentially adjacent cells, where adjacent cells means they are horizontally or vertically, and the same letter cell may not be used more than once. Okay, so we need to keep a track of which data cells also. For example, we are given A, B, C, E, C, C, E, D, so it can be formed in this grid, so that way it returns true. Okay, now let's just start decoding, and we'll be solving it using DFS and along with backtracking int m and int n. Let's declare these as the size of the array. Uh, okay, now what we'll be doing is we'll be having m as the length of the number of rows, that is board dot length, and n equal to the number of columns, equal to board 0 dot length. Okay, now we'll be traversing and we'll be keep checking from each and every character, that I less than m, I plus plus, and for int j equal to 0, j less than n, and then j plus plus. Okay, now we'll be checking that if we can find word, if find word returns me true, so in that case I'll be returning true, and in this we'll be passing the board, word, index I and index j, and my starting of the word. Okay, and let's just do one thing. I'll be starting keeping the relative order. Yeah, 0. Now, if we find this, we have to return true in this case. Return true, else return false. Okay, now we'll be writing the function that is private boolean find word with char board, having the string word, int I, int j, and okay, no, also the index, right? And int. Now let's set the base case that if we have reached the end, that is if index is equal to the length of the word dot length, and that means we have found the word in the board and we'll returning a true. Else what we'll be doing is also another base condition, that if I is less than 0 or I is greater than or equal to m, or j is less than 0 or j is greater than or equal to n, or uh, one more condition, that board ij is not equal to the word dot char at the index. Okay, I guess, yeah, word dot char at index, I'll be returning false in this case. Okay, now let's have a char. We'll be using backtracking, so we'll be marking the character on the the board on the go only, board ij, and then we'll be sending the board ij with some other character. Let's say hash is equal to a hash, and then we'll be calling the we'll be storing the answer in this, and we'll be calling the function again, that is found word, and we are having four directions. Sorry, find word, we'll be keeping the board, word, and int plus one the same. We are having four options, that is I plus one comma j, or let's say we'll be storing keeping these here, and let's just copy this only, that I plus, okay, I minus 1 j, or we are having I as it is j plus 1, or I as it is j minus 1. Okay, and at the end we'll be setting the board to its original character, board ij is equal to the character, and at the end we have to just return the found variable. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, it says char board. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.